Here we are, Pure Mathematics Year 2, Chapter 2, Functions and Graph, Mixed Exercise, Book 2, Edexcel. Okay, question 15. N of x is 5 minus x when x is less than or equal to 0, and x squared when x is greater than 0. Find n of minus 3. Well, at that point, n is less than 0. X is less than 0. So that is going to be equal to 5 minus 3, which would be equal to 8. Okay. When n is 3, then let's move that up a bit since we've got space. When x is 3, that's obviously bigger than, okay, bigger than 0. So that's equal to 3 squared, which equals 9. Okay. Solve n of x equals 50 for this and this. Find the x value that is. Let's just consider this graph for a minute, or this function. Okay. When x is greater than 0, we have x squared. So x squared looks something like that. Okay. X squared, but it's actually n of x, isn't it? Okay. So, and then when it is less than 0, it is 5 minus x. Minus x comes down on a diagonal like that, and then with the plus 5, it's going to be coming in there. Okay, so there. So that explains our two values here of y we got for minus 3, we got about an 8, and over here for plus 3, we got the 9. Okay, so that makes perfect sense. But when's n of x equal to 50? Okay, well, of course, 50 is going to be up here somewhere. And so we're going to have a value out here and a value out here. Okay, so we need to continue and solve it for both of these, looking at that. So we can say that 5x, no, sorry, not 5x, 50 is equal to 5 minus x, meaning that we have x equal to minus 45. Okay, which would be the one way here. Okay, now let's do it again for the x squared. So we are going to have 50 equals x squared. Okay, and so square root of 50 equals x, and checking that straight into the calculator, square root of 50, 5 root 2, which, if you need it, 7.07. Okay, that gives me more room, doesn't it? So there's your two options when n of x equals 50. Okay, next question.